Hi and hello, welcome to online biology class because of Ideal Others Educational Institution and you. I am Sadish Kumar going to present the class regarding the topic of health and diseases. This is unit number 21 for 10th standard biological science. So the continuation of this unit we will see that two different topics today. One is called an obesity and another one is called an heart diseases. So yesterday we are seen about disease and disorder due to various life change modifications. The continuation of these things, yesterday we are seen about diabetes mellitus and type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. So today topic we are seen about another two interesting factor. One is called an obesity. Nowadays we are facing with plenty of problem in the field of obesity, and second one is heart diseases. So the heart diseases which is caused by the excess amount of fat which is deposited on the arteries and veins, and some of the heart diseases which is caused by the cardiovascular disease, and another one is called an coronary heart diseases. So these are the things are seen about today's topic. Before we are enter into this topic, we will see about what is obesity. So the normal BMI, the ranges which is from 18.5 to 24.9, that is called a normal. And overweight, they are having a 25 to 29.9, and by the same time obese, that means over the body mass index is over 30, is called an obesity. So these are the things we will see in the form of textual content. And second one we will see about various types of heart diseases. The normally the two different types of heart diseases we are going to be seen about. One is called an coronary heart disease, which means then the coronaries, the arteries and vein, they are consist of any kind of cholesterol block behind these walls. So it is slowly it is enlarged in their size. Finally they are having the block with the heart, that is called an coronary heart diseases. And the second type we will see about cardiovascular diseases, which means the cardiac muscle, they are having a problem or any kind of injury which is behind that, which is commonly takes place on all types of people. So this is the thing we are going to be seen about today's topic. So let us enter into this today's topic. From that, what is obesity? First of all, two more question. The body is the state in which there is an accumulation of excessive body fat with the abnormal increase of the body weight. For example, they are having a 6 feet, then around their body weight is around 60 to 70 kg is normal. Then excess amount of fat which is deposited in our body, and we are look like a abnormal condition, that is called an body weight. And obesity is a complex malfactorial chronic disease developed from the influence of social, behavioral, psychological, metabolic, and cellular factor. Behind that, social, behavioral, psychological, and metabolic cellular factors are deciding that obesity. And the obesity occurs the intake of calories in more than the expenditure of energy, which means we are utilizing 200 kg of energy, which means we are consumed with 400 kg of energy. Then the excess amount of energy is deposited in the form of fat. Then overweight and obesity are the conditions where the body weight is greater than mean of the standard weight, age, and the height of the individual. The body mass index, BMI, abbreviation, one mark question, is an estimate of body fat that health risk. And the BMI, how we are calculating the BMI, body mass index, then weight, which is in the form of kilogram, is divided by height. It is in the form of centimeter or meter square. Then underweight, normal, overweight, severe obesity, macro obesity, and super obesities are given from the following substance from the diagrams. And the more to know question, from the more to know question, every 7 calories of excess consumption lead to 1 gram of fat deposit and increase the body weight. Weight is due to the fat in the adipose tissue and exceeds more than 20 to 20 percentage of the body weight. A very important thing. The adipose tissue is increasing the body weight. An adult weighing this 10 percentage more than the standard weight is called overweight. So if you are having more than 10 percentage more than the body weight, for example we are having a 60 kg normal weight, we are having a 66, so it is overweight. Then we are having 72 or 78, that is called obese, which is in the form of 20 percentage more. And we will see that the diagrammatic representation obese and that overweight and obese. So first diagram we are seeing in this overweight, and second diagram we are seeing this obese. And the causes and risk factor of obesity is due to the genetic factor, physical inactivity, eating habits, overeating, and the endocrine factors. The endocrine also play the vital role for risk of obesity. And these the excess cholesterol in this bile, genetics, obesity, rapid weight loss, these are causing some of the problem of obesity. And what are the problem, what are the risk we are going to be faced due to the obesity? Number one, type 2 diabetes, then dyslipidemia, then cancer risk, mood disorder, heart diseases, reproductive disorders, liver diseases, and hypertension. So these are the diseases which is caused by the obesity. And the obesity is a positive risk factor development of hypertension, diabetes, gallbladder diseases, coronary heart diseases, and orthotics. They are caused due to this obesity. And the prevention and control of obesity, number one, diet management. So low calories, normal protein, vitamins, mineral, restricted carbohydrate and fat, high fiber diet can be prevent the overweight. And calorie restriction for the weight reduction in the safe and the most effective. So we are reducing our body weight to maintain the stable condition to preventing the obesity. Then this is the diagrammatic representation, the dietary management of obesity, our vegetables, milk, then sweets, meat, and what are the things we are going to be take down, which is given this diagram. And physical exercise, a low calorie diet accompanied by the moderate exercise will be the effective causing of loss of weight. Then meditation, yoga, physical activity can also reduce the stress related and overeating. So we'll see that we are done in the some kind of physical exercise from the city people from the gym. So all these things are given for the obesity. And the second one, the second important thing nowadays we are facing a problem, then known and unknownly, then suddenly which is takes place with the various types of heart diseases. Due to the heart diseases and heart attack, the various people are died around the world with the unknown reason. So let us see about what is heart diseases, how the heart diseases it will be takes place. These things are thinking about the continuation. Then heart diseases, the cardiovascular disease CVD, one mark abbreviation question, is associated with the diseases and heart in the blood vessels. So the disease which is affected by the heart as well as in the blood vessels. And second one is called a coronary heart disease. CHD is the most common form and caused by the deposition of cholesterol in the blood vessels. So they are having a problem with the heart and heart muscles, that is called a valves, or is called an cardiovascular disease. And that coronary heart disease, that means the cholesterol is deposited on the blood vessels. So this is the first one. We will see about the cardiovascular diseases. The cardiovascular diseases, different types of cardiovascular diseases are takes place. Number one is coronary artery disease, valve diseases, anemism, then cardiac arrhythmia, cardiomyopathy, then pericarditis, and heart failure. These are the diseases caused by the cardiovascular diseases. And second one, we will see that the problem which is takes place on the coronary heart diseases, the excess amount of cholesterol or fat which is deposited on the blood vessels, they are blocking the flow of blood, and one stage the valves it will be broken up, then finally the person it will be died. And this usually develop slowly over the many years beginning from the childhood. They may be form of the fatty streak for the fibrous complicated follicle, and it is leads to the narrowing of the blood vessels, leading the atherosclerosis, the large and medium sized arteries, and supply of the heart muscles with the oxygen. They are blocking the supply of oxygen, they are blocking the flow of the blood to the heart, and finally there will be creating a severe problem in the form of death. And it leads to that sudden ischemia, deficient blood supply to the heart muscles. So their blocking is given here. Then by means of block this blood flow, then finally high pressure is takes place on the arteries and veins. And by the same time, then we know that four chambers, auricles and ventricles, they also facing the problem, and finally it will be creating severe problem. And second one, myocardial infarction, death of the heart muscle tissues. Then some of the heart muscle tissues, they are getting damaged, and slowly the entire part is get full of death. And more to know, desirable blood level in the cholesterol would be less than 200 mg per deciliter for the Indians. This risk for coronary heart disease is increased slowly as the blood cholesterol level increase 200 to 300 mg per deciliter. We are having only the more than or less than 200 mg is safer side. Then if it is more than 200 to 300, they are having a problem with coronary heart diseases. Then the risk factor, hypocholesteremia, high blood cholesterol, the yellow color substance is given this diagram. The cholesterol is deposited in the arteries and vein, then blood flow is blocked. And second one, high blood pressure, hypertension, which also causing some of the problem in our heart. And the major causes and contribution factor of the heart diseases is untreated. Many cause severe damage in the brain. Then some of the heart diseases, they are creating the severe damage in the brain, kidney, and eventually leads to the stroke. Then we are inactive stage of the leg and hand, which takes place by means of the major contributing factors of the heart diseases. Then what are the causes? The hereditary, that is a family history. Then from the genetic, due to the genetics or gene, the problem which is behind the heart diseases. Diet rich saturated fat and cholesterol, consuming with more quantity of fat and cholesterol oriented problem, and obesity, increasing of age, and rate of smoking, that is a continuous smoking, emotional and stress, sedimentary lifestyle, and excessive alcohol consumption and physical inactivity are some of the causes of the heart diseases. And what are the causes of heart diseases are given? Number one, diabetes. They are having a diabetes means they are having a risk with the heart problem. And genetics, lifestyle, then taking with too much quantity of fast food, and diet, we are unable to take with some quantity of imbalanced food, aging, smoking, and gender. These all the things are causing the heart diseases. And what are the symptoms of that heart diseases? The shortness of breath, that is we are having a wheezing and they're unable to breathe, headache and thirdness and aches, chest pain, swelling this leg, and gastrointestinal disturbance. These are the problems are caused by the symptoms of the cardiovascular diseases. And this is a diagrammatic representation. We are having a problem with the skin and nose, and then grill sings, then the chest pain, difficulty to breathe, arthromics, and nausea. These are the problems which is caused by the heart diseases. And then DHDL, that the high density of lipoprotein are good. The cholesterol, lower risk of heart disease. That is a high density of lipoprotein. We are not having any kind of problem with the heart disease. And by the same time, LDL, another abbreviation, low density of lipoprotein or bad cholesterol, increase the risk of heart diseases. And then one more thing, the prevention and control of heart diseases. Number one, diet management. Then reduction of intake of low calories, low saturated fat and cholesterol rich food, low carbohydrate and common salt are the some of the dietary modification. And second one, diet rich polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFA is essential, and increase the intake of fiber rich fruits, vegetables, protein, minerals and vitamin are required for maintenance and prevention of the heart diseases. Then these are some of the preventing tips are given for the preventing of heart diseases. Reduce the stress, sleep well, taking with the dietary food, then exercise. So these are the things they are preventing our heart diseases. And physical activities, regular exercise, walking, yoga are essential for the body maintenance. And addictive substances are avoided for the alcohol consumption. Smoke to be avoided, using the alcohol and tobacco oriented products, smoke to be avoided. We are preventing ourselves by means of heart diseases. So up to that we will see about obesity and heart diseases. We are having only the two more topics are pending. Then we will see in this next class. One is called an cancer, and various types of cancers are available. Then we know that the familial disease, and which is entirely the another pandemic for AIDS. So these are the things are seen in the next class. Up to that, thank you very much from Sadish Kumar from Biological Science Department. Thank you one and all.